Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a French bun using this U-pins, and this closure. So let's begin. On the crown section you can choose any of your choice, any hairstyle of your choice. You can make a puff, you can side comb your hair, any of your choice. Just I'm doing a French bun. I'm not doing anything on crown section right now. For making a French bun, first you need to grab your hair and then place your hand in this way and just wrap the hair, and then you just need to just twist this, and then for the rest of the hair you need to hide this on this way. Okay, to secure this hair bun you need a U-pin. I'm using this one. I'm using this U-pin. Just grab some hair from this side and then this side. Just pull it down again. From some hair from this side and then this side. Pull it down again. Just pull some hair from this side and then this side. Okay, now I'm going to decorate this. For decorating I'm just using this these types of U-pin with some bead. You can see how beautiful is this looking. Perfect. You can make this bun in just 1 minute. You can see how beautiful is this looking. For the second method, I'm using these types of closure. Again, do the same way. Just place your hair and then wrap your hair on. I'm just grabbing little hair from this section, just from this section, and then little hair from this section. Just turn it around and then place this. Now you can see this is also ready in just in 1 minute. Thank you so much for watching my 1 minute French bun video. If you like this video, then please give me some thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. See you next time. Bye bye.